Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Ivy's World. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your notification bell and hit all so you'll be notified every time I upload. Alright you guys, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. As you could tell by the title, this is an Amazon wig review. Yes, Amazon wig review / wig install using a bald cap method. I will be having everything described down below and wig information. I will be jumping in and out the video explaining how I installed this wig from start to finish. This is a 20-inch 13x4 lace wig, human hair, straight from Tbbpmm hair on Amazon. Look at this wig, y'all. When I pulled this wig out, I was amazed on how great the quality of this wig was. It had lovely texture and flow. It was no shedding. It was full. It was soft, and the lace blended well with the skin, and it came with an adjustable strap. Alright, so let's get started. You want to first go ahead and push those edges back to protect those edges. You're going to throw that cap on, push it as far down as you can. You're going to want to cut those holes out of the ears and the eyes. I'm going in with some Got2b glue spray around the hairline, and I'm going to blow dry it and put the elastic band on while it dries so it can stick to her skin and so I could cut the cap. You can do either or. I decided to do both, blow dry it and put the elastic band on. Let her finish blow drying it while I go ahead and put the makeup on the cap. Now you're going to want to cut that extra lace off by the hairline and get as close as you can. The extra in the back, I just tied it up and tucked it under. Some people sew it down and cut the extra off, but this is just the way I did it. So I'm just pulling the cap back as close to the hairline as possible and just cutting off the extra. Now I'm just going to spray it down one more time and blow dry it to dry the Got2b glue and put the elastic band on so the cap will not come up. Now I'm just going in, cutting off any extra cap that did not stick this last time. Also going back in with the makeup. Now I'm just gonna go in and size the hairline to the wig to her hairline and see exactly where I'm gonna place it. I'm also gonna put some wax on the front of it because she wants it to be scalp with no baby hairs, and I'm just gonna make those front hairs as straight as I can so they won't get in my way. Now it's time to go in with your glue. Yes, I'm gonna put a dot on the cap itself and on her skin, and then I'm gonna go in and smooth it out as much as I can and let it dry. You would want the glue to dry before you put your next application on. I will be putting 3 applications on here, blow drying and reapplying. As you place the wig from ear to ear, you're just gonna go in and make sure you're placing the wig at least an inch above the cap, and you want to make sure that the elastic band behind the ear section is not hurting. You're just gonna spray again from ear to ear and put that elastic band on to melt that lace and to give it scalp. So as I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do her part. She wanted a middle part, so I'm just going in and fixing that part while I let that spray dry to melt the lace. I went in one more time and sprayed it down so she can have that melt look and so that it will not come up. I also went in and did a little bit more to her part. So now I'm gonna go in with the lace. I did cut this lace into 3 sections and then I cut the middle part into 2 sections. After I did that, I went in and cut out the ear sections. And then I went in and pulled the lace as close to the hairline and started cutting each part of the lace off because she wanted a natural hairline. Now I'm gonna go in and apply some makeup to the hairline to blend the hairline in with her skin. Here I just went in with some alcohol to clean up around the hairline of any spray or excess glue. I did go back in and spray one more time to make sure that the wig stayed on her head and to give that lace that ultimate melt and natural hairline while I flat ironed the hair. Y'all, look how lovely and soft and shiny this hair looks. I did add some heat protector to it before I flat ironed it. But look how shiny it looks. Look how flawless it looks. So now I'm just gonna take that band off. Look how melted that hairline look, and just clean up the hairline one more time, just in case I left some glue or spray on the hairline. And then I'm gonna go in and add some makeup to her part to define her part even more. And yeah, this is the end of the video, you guys. So look how lovely this hair looks. Look how good that hairline blended. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know down below in the comments how it came out, how you like the hair, and how I did on this install. Again, this wig is from Tbbpmm hair on Amazon, and I will have everything down in the description down below. All right, you guys, I will catch you on the next video.